I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life.
Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ramona. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And for my returning loves and my new subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support. In today's video, we're just going to get a quick review of how things are looking in my Texas home. So if that's something that you like to see, just keep on watching.
Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is on a roll. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
I just want to make sure that I keep you guys in the loops of how things are going on with the new build in Texas. At this point, we were at the stage of getting the house inspected. So we were pretty much looking at everything that makes sure that everything is where we wanted to have it at.
Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe.
One of the reasons why is we wanted to video how things are looking on the walls and everything is because in the future, say for instance we want to put another outlet or something on this wall, we want to make sure where there's wires so that we can't drill holes or anything like that. So it's pretty smart to take pictures of where the location is, or better yet, video where the location is. So that way you can always go back to it to see where things are.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I am not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Everything passed. Yay!
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside.
Alright my loves, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and join the family. Until next time, bye.